Just watch this channel. There are only 5 videos in this channel, and with that he has gained almost 60,000 subscribers. Can you imagine? Not only this channel, there are thousands of channels on YouTube such as Jack, Decoding YT, Enid Wealth, Income Project who will succeed in YouTube with their first video by following only 4 secrets. And in this video I will reveal to you 4 secrets that usually Super Prime channel use for his video and get the better result. At the end of the video I will also share a mistake made by this channel. If this mistake continues, the growth of this channel will decrease. So keep watching until the end. Secret 1 is quality is bigger than quantity. Well, can you tell me one thing? What actually YouTube creators do? We are YouTube creators. We upload 1 or 2 videos every week, right? In this way, 4 to 5 videos are uploaded on YouTube every month. So we spend only 5 to 7 days for each videos. On the other hand, take a look at this channel videos. He spends about 30 to 40 days behind making just one single video. For him, video quality matters more than a video quantity. A few days ago, Mr. Beast, who is one of the most richest YouTubers in the world, sent a message on Twitter that it took him more than 8 months to make just one YouTube video. Can you imagine? So the point is, instead of making 5 videos a month, make just one qualityful video in whole month. Spend maximum time behind the video quality. Remember that you don't need 4 or 5 videos to rank your channel. You just need one single video for go viral on YouTube, and one single video can make your channel from 0 to 1 lakh subscribers. 2. Audience versus algorithm. Many YouTubers will say that write a good description, good tag, only then your video will go viral. I've heard people who say this. Just watch this video. This is the first video of Super Prime. There are no long good description, no organized tag. However, this video is getting more than 6 lakh views. Not only this video, there are millions of videos on YouTube which do not have good tags, good description, but the video is viral. So the second secret is audience demand. The Super Prime channel's owner knows very well why his videos are trending and the audience likes to watch. He makes the videos according to the needs of the audience. That's why he gets so many views on his channel. So basically what you have to do is remove all the tension of YouTube algorithm, YouTube tag, description from your head and create videos that your audience actually like. Fulfill their demand. Views will come automatically. Create super thumbnail. Well, tell me one thing. When you go to YouTube to watch a video, what things in the video catches your eyes first? Of course, thumbnail. Then maybe titles or something else, am I right? Not only you, all the viewers on YouTube like you, before watching the video, they see the thumbnail first. If they like the thumbnail, then they click to watch the video. And the secret that works the most for Super Prime channels is its thumbnail. His unique and premium quality thumbnail is enough for viral his video. Even the world richest YouTuber spends $5,000 to $6,000 just for his one single thumbnail. So basically, if you spend 1 hour to making a video, then also spend 2 hours to making a good thumbnail for that video. Try to create a great and premium quality thumbnail of your video. Remember one thing, the audience will not watch your video first. What they will watch first is your thumbnail. And the last secret is improve at least 1% of every video. No matter how good you try to make videos and thumbnail, your first video will never be perfect. So try to improve at least 1% in every video. After making each video, find out where your video is lacking and make the next video accordingly. Super Prime channel's video are of the good quality from the start, but notice the last 2 thumbnail. The second was much better than the first, and also the third one was so much better than the second. Bottom line is, if you want to be successful on YouTube, you need to update your videos and thumbnails regularly. So the secret from 1 to 4 that I shared from this channel, if you can apply them, then with just a few videos you will grow like a super prime channel, definitely. Now it's time to expose a mistake made by this channel. If you watch every video of this channel, you will see that the videos of this channel are YouTube channel related. Means his channel niche are money making with YouTube, but his last video was about AI logo. It means he made videos outside the niche of this channel. That's why the views of this video have suddenly decreased. I would say to Super Prime, if he keeps making this mistake, his channel will be down very soon, and everything of this channel is fine.